lights and cigarette smoke, midnight buzzing soft and low, water running down the windows like the city's letting go. Got your old voice in my headphones, static drifting through the sound. Every street feels like a memory, every turn just spins around. And I still drive these roads alone, like they might lead me somewhere warm. But every skyline looks the same when you're caught inside the storm. Neon on the rain, running down the glass, everybody moving fast, trying to outrun the past. Neon on the rain, blue and gold and gray. Some hearts break like thunder, some just slowly fade away. Corner diner glowing empty, coffee burning black and dim. Everybody got a story, they don't know where to begin. I got old receipts and photographs, living in the passenger side. Little pieces of a version of myself I used to hide. The night keeps breathing through the streets, cold air underneath the signs. And every quiet conversation feels like borrowed time. Neon on the rain, falling through the dark, little reflections of the things we carry in our hearts. Neon on the rain, shimmering and gone. Some people leave all at once, some keep lingering on. No, 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 no. Maybe healing looks like headlights cutting through an empty lane. Maybe peace ain't loud or perfect, maybe peace arrives like